Every single guru online says the same thing. Stay consistent and it will work. We are on day 2 of our 30-day challenge. The gurus basically say consistency beats talent. Just keep showing up. But does it actually work? Because I have been posting and posting. And I want to actually know if consistency is moving the needle or if talent and luck matters more. You might know the answer. So today I'm going to pull up every single one of my real analytics to find out the truth. This is day 2 of my 30-day guru challenge, where I test everything the gurus say about selling digital products online. Yesterday, I kicked things off. If you have not watched that video, it will be linked down below. And today, I am already questioning one of the biggest things they preach. Now, let's head on to my computer so we can check these analytics. Okay, so now I am in my YouTube studio. I'm currently not monetized yet, but by the 30-day challenge, we're gonna see what's gonna be the difference, okay? Because I'm gonna post 30 days straight on YouTube and we're gonna check the difference. So right now, this is my numbers now. This is my subscriber count. This video I just posted an hour and 29 minutes ago. We're gonna click on analytics. So this is my views and this is my watch time. These are my subscribers in the last 28 days that I gained. And honestly, currently I am not like very consistent. My plan was to post 2 videos. Well, before I did the challenge, I was posting 2 videos a week on YouTube, but it was hard to be consistent with it. So I ended up posting just 1 video a week, but still trying to aim for that 2 videos a week. So I will say it's definitely true that if I was more consistent, my numbers probably would have been way different. So I started this channel, if you see, 1 year ago, but I wasn't consistent that year. I only post 2 videos that year. So I really started 10 months ago. And even then, you see, I only did 1 video. 6 months ago is when I started to be really consistent. And from 6 months, my channel already grew in 6 months. So it's definitely not the worst at all. It actually grew pretty good and very surprising how fast it grew. It was great. So consistency definitely matters. However, if you find yourself that you can't be consistent or if you fall off the bandwagon, it's not like it's the end of the world if you're not consistent. You just hop back on, just don't stop. That's the whole goal, just don't stop. But definitely if I was very much consistent, like with the same posting schedule, the same posting time, I feel like the numbers will be different. But girl, I am not mad at this number at all because your girl's almost close to monetization. So we're going to test it because we're going to be consistent for 30 days straight, okay? We're going to hold ourselves accountable and we're going to see how much this number grows from now to then. Stay tuned. Okay, so this challenge is for YouTube, the 30-day challenge. Now, I was thinking about repurposing those videos that I'm going to put on YouTube and post them to my Instagram and TikTok for shorts, but I haven't decided yet. So just in case I do that, I'm going to show you where I'm at now on Instagram. This is my followers right here, and this is my insights. It looks really, really weird on desktop, but I kind of like the phone version better. But for now, we're gonna look at it here, and the next time we might be looking at it on the phone. So this is our following count right there. And this has been the same as well. I started this the same time with YouTube. My oldest video is October 28th, 2025. So that's when I started. So yeah, I started this Instagram 8 months ago. And with this too, I have not been posting consistently. At first, I was posting twice a day, every day. So that helped me grow pretty quickly. And then I started posting once a day. Then I stopped posting completely for like 2 or 3 months because Instagram decided to shadow ban me. When I went to my account status, it said that my videos wasn't showing to anybody. The recommended page, on the explore page, it wasn't shown anywhere. So I decided to just stop posting on it until further notice. And then I made a second account that I'm trying to grow. And that's basically just gonna be a backup account just in case Instagram do that. But this account was the original Instagram account, and this is where I was at. So if I do decide to post the 30-day challenges on there as well, like clips of the videos that's gonna be on here on YouTube, then we would definitely check back onto this analytics as well. Cause I'm gonna still be posting on here my regular shorts that I'm gonna be posting. So I'm gonna be posting there every day, but the challenge is not for that. but we still might show you the analytics later on in the challenge to let you know how many times I've been posting, what my posting schedule was looking like, and how far I came. We just showing it to y'all for now, just in case we end up being consistent with shorts as well. I'm happy to see where that number grow, because I couldn't post for mad long because of Instagram, because Instagram shadow banned me. So this number probably would have been different too if that didn't happen. But here we are. That's where we start at. Now we're going to check TikTok, and we're gonna see what's going on there, because anything I post on Instagram, I'm going to post on TikTok. Okay, so this is where we at with TikTok, and this is our following count with TikTok as well. Again, I started this when I started my Instagram and YouTube. So everything got started at the same time 8 months ago. So again, this was fantastic to me. I grew really, really good and really, really fast. And I posted on here more than Instagram because of the fact, like I told y'all, that Instagram shadow banned me. So when Instagram shadow banned me, I stopped posting on Instagram and I just kept posting on TikTok. And I even stopped posting on TikTok a little bit too, because I got discouraged because Instagram did me dirty. So I felt like I was just in that mode. I got out that mode and I'm like, okay, let me still post on TikTok, and I still have followings on YouTube. So let's keep it going. Let's not let one monkey stop the show. So that's what happened, and that's why this number looking like the way it's looking. So TikTok was definitely loving me for sure. Okay, so this is where I'm at now. Again, like I said, I wasn't consistent. I was just more consistent than I was on Instagram, but I wasn't as consistent as I was supposed to be. I stopped posting on here for a month and some change. Again, we don't know yet, but we're thinking about posting our shorts from this challenge on that we're posting on YouTube. We're gonna post it on TikTok and Instagram. So I'm gonna show you the analytics so we could come back in 30 days to see how we did and what our schedule was looking like and how we grew. So this is where we at, and then we're definitely working on hitting monetization. So we are very much close to, because I want to hit the creator marketplace. So I'm almost there. You need 10,000 followers and I'm almost there. So we definitely gonna hit that. So we'll see where we will be at in 30 days. Same with TikTok. I don't like their studio on desktop. So next time when we look at this, we're definitely gonna look at it on the mobile device, because this is actually confusing me. It's making me like what am I looking at? But this is where we at. So let's see where we at in 30 days. There is definitely something happening on top of consistency that moves the numbers, which I already broke that down, but consistency definitely matters. But consistency is not just everything, okay? To me, I think you just need to just keep going and don't stop. That's really what it is. Just keep going. If you can be consistent, it definitely works for sure. And I think my numbers would have been so much different if I was being consistent. But just seeing me not being as consistent and not putting that much time into it, or like I put time into it, but like I wasn't just as consistent as I wanted to be, and you still see my numbers. Okay, so I'm not saying don't be consistent, you will still grow. But I am saying that if you're not being consistent, don't let that stop you from just keep going. It's always light at the end of the tunnel, and some things it's not just a perfect road. Okay, so just keep going. That's what I would say about the consistency, that they are right, is consistency do beat it. However, I think that if you fall off, just get back on and keep going where you left off at. It's not the end of the world. But do aim to be consistent. Your growth will be way better if you have a consistent schedule, a consistent time you post, how many days you're posting. All of that would definitely matters for sure. You help the algorithm out tremendously a lot. But I will say is that if life happens, because life be life, and sometimes don't feel discouraged to be like, oh dang, I wasn't posting on my right time, so I'm just gonna say bump, I'm not gonna post today. Nope, get up, still post that content, still post whatever you gotta post. And like always, if you're trying to build a digital product business and you are not sure if you are doing the right things, I put together a digital product starter kit with everything I use to get my first sales. The link is in the description below, and it will be in the pinned comment. It's literally designed for complete beginners, okay? No experience is needed. So check that out if you want to start selling digital products. Tomorrow, I am letting AI run my entire content strategy for 1 full day. And I'm going to show you every single thing it creates. Come back because I genuinely do not know if it's going to be a genius or a complete disaster. You know how AI get. So see you tomorrow.